I'm Owen. I'm a data analyst in the retail industry, and I give Power BI a 4 out of 5. We weren't using any business intelligence before Power BI, but we were considering Tableau, and we chose Power BI over Tableau because it was easier to implement data that wasn't clean. We chose Power BI. It was the first business intelligence we were using, and we chose it because we had a lot of data that wasn't 100% clean, and we wanted a program where we could move the data around and not we weren't just putting data in the system, but we needed to do a lot with it before it actually went in. So we chose Power BI for that purpose. So because Power BI is connected to everything Microsoft, connecting to everything we were using, which was also Microsoft, was actually pretty simple. The IT team did not have a problem with it, and it was pretty easy for me to connect data to Power BI because everything was already connected. For those looking to bring on Power BI, I would suggest having someone at the company that is assigned to the integrations, that's going to help move it along. That's not necessarily part of the IT team, but can be helpful in connecting and communicating with the IT team and then everyone else at the company.